Okay, so I have another question for you now regarding the same dynamic. Sometimes karmics are there in the life of divine feminines, sometimes they are in the life of divine masculines, and sometimes they are already married to them, either the masculines or the feminines. And sometimes they also have children involved in this dynamic. What is the role of the children, the child they have with the karmic partner?
So the role of children in this twin flame dynamic is very, very huge. Now, especially if your twin is having children, whether you're divine masculine or feminine, what they are reflecting to you, they are a reflection of your unhealed inner child. When you see your twin giving time to their children, having vacations with them, spending a lot of time with them, doing everything that the children are asking to. And sometimes this is a huge hindrance also within the twin flame dynamics, that if one of the twins is having children, it is even more difficult to make a return back to your twin counterpart because of the children. So the children will stay in the dynamic and they will keep reflecting something to you. Now what they are actually reflecting? They are reflecting you to heal your inner child, to become one with the inner child, just as the divine masculine is one with the children, right? They are giving all the time to them, to the family. In the same way, the other twin also learns, heal the inner child. Look for the child. Where has that child gone? Right? Make a connection with them. Call it out wherever it is. Play with it. Have a lot of fun with it, and bring it out in such a way that the child is never lost again. The children are meant to stay till the time the other twin heals. Once significant healing has been done, I believe children's role is actually it's fulfilled there. And then after that, it's up to the divine counterparts whether they want to involve the children in their dynamic or not. Like, it's totally different for every other case. But in most of the cases, the children are very, very significant, and they teach us that we can heal the inner child, and it is only after healing the inner child that the actual union can be manifested. My name is Dr. Surbhi, and I am a Kundalini expert, a twin flame guide, and a spiritual doctor. I first started coaching people when I was only 18 years old. Yes, you heard that right. Over the last 15 years, I have helped thousands of people lead a spiritually aligned life. From giving them personalized guidance to putting together powerful spiritual retreats and events, to writing books and even appearing on national TV and renowned stages, I have done it all. And now I have combined my 15 years of expertise to lead you on your spiritual journey. If you are a spiritual coach, a trainer, or a healer, and you have this burning desire within you to help out people in your community, look no further than my spiritual coach training and certification, the Goddess Rising. Inside the Goddess Rising, I will equip you with the tools and spiritual practices from ancient India and ancient Egypt. It is within the time period of the coaching that your power is amplified and you begin to attract not just soul-aligned clients, but even soul-aligned celebrities and hidden opportunities, including beautiful miracles that are just in the hindsight. If you feel this message is for you, my friend, I call you out to step into your greatness. You can simply reach out to me on my Instagram. I will be waiting for you on the other side.